I haven't seen it yet, but I think I ordered a small $2 optical mouse. Really small and with a retractable cable. For $2 I couldn't resist, just for this video, so I can show you how it looks. I'm a bit curious myself, so it's not just for the video, let's be honest here. I'm really curious. Let's see. Fragile packaging and Optical Standard Mouse. The energy doctor. The energy doctor. TED Electric. Okay. Holland Europe branch. TEDelectric.eu. And this is a local importer. Yeah. This is funny. So funny. And the packaging is falling apart. So let's see. Oh boy. Oh boy. It's a mouse. It's a mouse with feet. The last mouse I bought for how much was it? Like $1.50. No, $3, and it didn't have legs. It had plastic, just plastic pieces. Oh, it's coming out. But yeah, this is a mouse. It's a mouse. It's a cute little mouse. So let's see the size. That's 7 centimeters. And the width 4.3. Well, that's kind of interesting. And let's see the cable. The cable is bad. And how do you stop it? When you expanded it, how do you stop? Oh, it stops! Cool. So the cable is only like 50. Let me measure it. 58, 60 centimeters. Okay. Yeah. This is kind of nice for that money. I got to be honest here. This is nice. So, how do you press something? How does this go back? Anybody know? Whatever. You probably have to press something, I don't know. This is stuck. But whatever, I don't care about that. Let's see what's inside. Oh. Can we see inside? Does this have? Yeah, the right button is not working properly. You have to press hard. The left one works. This works? Okay. So, there are screws here. Yeah, that's why the legs were falling off. Because there are 2 screws. Or even more. Maybe here too? No. But the legs are falling off. You have to glue these back better with some stronger glue. But it makes no sense. Yeah. I congratulated this mouse too early, because if you can see, the Teflon legs don't come further out than the plastic ring. You see? So yeah, I celebrated early. But you can put something under it. Double-sided tape maybe. And yeah, then the feet will be taller. 2 screws. Oh, and let's plug it in or something. Yeah, so the right works well. Yeah, and they use the same mechanic, the same casing if there's an additional button here. Or why is that there? Oh, it's just for the scroll mechanism. Okay. So let's plug it in. Let's see what lights up. And if it lights up. Yeah, it's a standard, it's recognized as USB optical mouse. And it doesn't work on white. Okay. On the mouse pad, it works fine. Quite well, actually. Okay. So I really like this. This small little mouse. Even the switches are smaller. That's very interesting. So, okay. I guess that's it for this video. I just wanted you to see this small little, very little mouse. Very cute. I kind of like it. Maybe I'll try playing Dota with it. Ted. What was it again? The energy duct.